All of you are aware, as RSS is engaged from 99 years in man making and nation building process. From the initial days, Sangha initiated with the Shakha, and with all the Shakha networks, so many Swayamsevaks, they are working actively in different walks of life. And so, with taking inspiration from RSS, over the year, 32 organizations, mainly, they are working nationwide, working in all states. So, such 32 organizations and different coordination groups, they are specifically invited here. Each organizations with their office bearers, mainly their national president, their organizing secretary, and some other office bearers, they are expected. As we have sent the invite to 320 Karyakartas, 230 Karyakartas from Vividha Sanghatan, different organizations, and 90 from directly Sangha working Karyakartas. So total 320 Karyakartas are expected to participate in this Baitak.